Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to encrypt an image using the 3-dash algorithm which has been written in Python. We will be using the image in front of us for this project. We are now going to run the program. We'll choose one for encryption and we have to put the name of the image. So the image has to be in the same folder as the code. So the image.jpg and a minimum of 8 character long password. Putting it again and it's encrypted. Now if you go to check the encrypted file, as you can see you can access it because it's encrypted. Now we're going to try decrypting the file by choosing option number 2. We're going to put the name of the file. It's going to ask for the password, so we're going to put that in as well. And it's decrypted. So then we go check the file. It's renamed as decrypted_image, and as you can see we can access the file. So therefore the program works. And thank you.